inside your heart, is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, there's any outfit that you'll find me ugly, and one day you'll disappear, because what's the point of cracking it? Was never even enough. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are weird. Good boys are weird. He doesn't see us. You're not making money, boy. Good boys are weird.
Get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. So today's wig sponsor is Beautyforever, so thank you so much to Beautyforever sponsoring today's video. They sent me over this beautiful 13x4 lace frontal kinky curly wig. This wig has 4C edges, and this wig is in the length 20 inches. I've really been into these wigs that have like the kinky curly edges because I just feel like it really just brings the look together, especially with this textured hair. Because this wig is kinky curly, it kind of all ties in and it makes it look super natural. The first thing I'm going to do is just cut off this lace, and especially by my ear tabs. So I'm just going to use my scissors and cutting off all this extra lace. I'm also going to apply this wig in sections because it's just way easier in my opinion, rather than doing like the whole wig at one time. I'm going to cut the lace as well in sections. So I'm just going to start on the front piece of my hair, and I'm using Got2b glue to install this wig as well. And I haven't used Got2b glue, y'all, in like so long. I don't know why, but I haven't used it in so long, but it actually came out really good with this install. So to speed up the process, I'm going to use my blow dryer and apply my wig once the glue looks clear. I'm only applying one layer of this glue to my hairline because I did not plan on keeping this wig for a long time. But if you guys would like to keep this wig on for a long period of time, just add extra layers of glue.
Taking no flicks, but the whole click snap. There's a whole lot of people in the house trying to smoke with a yak in your mouth. And we back outside. You said you outside, but you ain't that outside. Worldwide hoodie with the mask outside. In case you forgot how we act outside.
After using my Got2b glue, now I'm going to use my Ebony spray just for some extra hold and some extra security. Then after that, I'm going to use my headband and kind of secure this wig as well with my blow dryer. And I'm using my blow dryer on cool. Now let's get on into these baby hairs. So this wig does have 4C edges like I previously stated. So I really didn't want to do too much with these edges. I really wanted them to give very much natural. So as you guys can see, I'm keeping them curly. I'm not going to flat iron them or straighten them out or nothing like that. I'm just going to use my scissors cutting off the excess hair. And I'm going to be using my Ebony hairspray as well to kind of mold these edges to where I want them to be. And I wanted them to be really like kind of like minimalistic. I really didn't want them to do too much. And here I'm just using my tweezers to pluck them because I just felt like it was a little too thick in some areas. But it actually came out super natural, y'all. Like I really loved how this wig looked.
My own
Now onto my favorite part, which is styling. So first thing I'm gonna do is brush out these curls. I'm just using this I think it's a Denman brush. I really don't know, but I got it from Amazon. I'm just going to use that to brush out my whole wig. Then after that, I'm going to use my spray bottle. It just has some water. And then I'm going to use my Lotta Body foaming mousse. Literally, you only need water and some mousse, and that's it. After that, these curls are going to be popping, y'all. Like, I just loved how the curls turned out. It looks super natural. And also, I'm going to use my fingers to kind of coil some pieces of the hair as well. And I just love that the way that looks. I felt like it gave it a real like natural look to the hair. And I just really liked how it turned out, y'all. Like, it looks so good, so natural. I know I keep saying that, but it really did look really natural. Like, even as I do this voiceover, I'm still wearing this wig, and it just looks so good. Like, y'all need to get this wig ASAP.
Searching for love, we go up and down, lost and found, searching for love, looking for something that lives inside me, looking for something that lives inside me. You won't break my soul, you won't break my soul, you won't break my soul, you won't break my soul. I'm telling everybody.
Look at these curls, you guys. This wig just looks so good. I was so amazed with the finished product of this wig. That was everything for this video. I thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to purchase this wig, all the information will be in my description box down below. I will highly recommend this wig to y'all. It is very good quality and it looks so good. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in my next video.
Llove